started the framing of it last year with my junior class. I had 2 students working on that at the time, and then when we came back in the fall, the sophomores have taken over, and there's 6 of them in the sophomore class, so 8 total.
So 8 total students have built what we see behind us.
Correct.
We've been working on this for 5 weeks. No, I didn't think we were gonna do anything like this. I thought we were just gonna like build the little houses in there or something, but then he just came with us with this.
To be able to like work with my friends and like to see that like once we step back, it's like we did this, and like it's cool. To a class, to us, it's special. It's like something we can like praise. Like it's crazy. Our work's getting out to the world, and it's like everyone's gonna see it. So it's like you gotta impress, in a sense.